What is special or unique about the technology we use? Or is there an application of the technology that is unique to Boulevard?
One thing that I think is really special about Boulevard's tech stack, and I think it really comes actually from like Sean and Matt just being product leaders more than anything, starting to build the product initially and just understanding technology really, really well, is usually companies of our kind of age and size after like 8 years or a number of years, you just start to build out a lot of tech debts. So like what most people are building is just new layers of technology and craft and systems and layers on top of those old layers and new ones. And at a certain point that kind of all topples over. You have to usually start some horrific project to rewrite part of it. And I think one thing that I think Matt and Sean have really encouraged us to do, and I think I see that in our stack, in our code, is go back and rebuild things that are sometimes not that old. Like sometimes we'll rebuild things after a couple of years because we realize it has a limitation, or we realize we want to go after a new type of customer and it needs to just be better. That I think is the first time in my career actually that I see us being so ahead of that. And I feel like this thing that our other competitors just have, like at one point are all going to topple over. Like I think we're actively managing that. And I think that's really fun for us as engineers and for us as a technology team. And I think it's an incredible competitive advantage. And yeah, I think it's really special about how we build software.